Okay, so we look at this question. Simplify 10 over 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 minus 2 over x minus 2. Now, the indication is, well, we look at the common denominator. This is what we'll do, okay? We'll get that as a common denominator. But at higher level, they're looking for something more. They're looking for, can you spot something within this, okay? And if you look at this, this is actually a guide number, okay? So we're actually going to look at this before we do anything more. We're going to just look at this part of it, okay? And just see if we can do something with that. So look at, I'm going to write it up here, 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. It's guide number. So the guide number is minus 4x squared. The factors of minus 4x squared are minus 4x and 1x to make minus 3. So I'm trying to fit it in here now. 2x squared minus 4x plus 1x minus 2. Factorize out the 2x. You're left with x minus 2. What's left here? Just a 1. You're left with minus 2. So the factors of this are 2x plus 1, x minus 2. Okay, so that's the answer for that. Okay, so in fact I can rewrite this as 10 over 2x plus 1 x minus 2 minus 2 over x minus 2. So in fact our common denominator now doesn't actually have to be all of them, because these occur twice. I only write it in once. So what's the 10 multiplied by? Well, if you look what's underneath the 10, that's already there. So you don't have anything left over, so you just multiply it by 1. And this 2, you look to see what's underneath it. Well, x minus 2 is here, so it's multiplied by the other one, 2x plus 1. So multiplying that out, you get 10 minus 4x, minus 2, all over 2x plus 1 by x minus 2, which becomes 8 minus 4x all over 2x plus 1. Now this is a particularly difficult sum, because if you look at the top line here, this could be factorized further. So what could be factorized out of? Well, what's common? 4 is common. If you take 4 out, you're left with 2 minus x. Now, that's actually not going to work for this particular, right? What about if we switched it around, okay? Because I just have to spot something here. Imagine if I wrote it as minus 4x plus 8 all over 2x plus 1 x minus 2. Now, what will I factorize out of the top line? If I take out minus 4, I'll be left with x minus 2 all over 2x plus 1 x minus 2. And what cancels? They cancel. So you're left with minus 4 over 2x plus 1. Okay, quite a difficult question. There's an awful lot in that. Okay, so we look at the second one. Now, if you look at the second one down here in the bottom, the common denominator for this is a difference of 2 squares, which can be wrote as, when I write the x minus 1 on top, can be wrote as x minus 2 x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 2. So common denominator for this is x minus 2. X plus 2 occurs twice, so I don't have to write it down twice, only write it down once. So this x minus 1 is multiplied by what? Well, those 2 are underneath it. They're already there, so there's nothing left over. It's just multiplied by 1. And this 1 is multiplied, this 1 is multiplied by, we look at the x plus 2. That's there, so it must be multiplied by x minus 2. So multiply it out, you get x minus 1 plus x minus 2 all over x minus 2 x plus 2. So tidying this up, you get 2x minus 3 all over x minus 2. Sorry, I can see a mistake I made. This is x plus 2. Sorry, this is not x plus 2. That's x minus 2. So x minus 2 occurs twice. So this 1 is multiplied by x plus 2. So that's a plus 2 there. So actually, in fact, this is not minus 3. That's actually plus 1. And that's the answer. So there's my two answers, there and there.